Hi, Kevin Sharp here from Promt Parts. Today we're going to be talking about anodes for your outboard motor. Your engine will have some anodes. Some of them are easily serviceable by the home tech. Sometimes anodes may need to be installed by a qualified technician. So here's the typical anodes on an outboard motor. That's the gear case mounted anode, easily serviced, checked by the home technician. Simply mounted on the gear case and fixed to the engine. This anode's the transom mount anode for the trim and tilt part of the engine that protects the trim and tilt system, the transom bracket. It's also relatively easily serviced by the home technician. Another key point is keeping your anodes clean for them to work. Having good continuity to ground and a clean surface allows it to work properly. This anode's well oxidised and is only going to be partially effective at looking after your engine. So one feature that's really important when servicing anodes is to make sure that the anode's well bonded to the ground system of the outboard motor. To check that we have good bonding of the anode to the engine, we use a common multimeter, a multimeter that can measure resistance in ohms, and it's a typical example. And what we do there is we check the surface of the anode to a good engine ground, and basically we're looking for a reading that shows zero resistance. So simple to test. We're just checking between two of the anodes on the engine and its bonding system, and we've got that zero resistance. Great continuity. So previously I mentioned that some of the anodes on the engine can't be serviced by the home tech or shouldn't be serviced by the home tech. And here's an example. This is the prop shaft bearing carrier in the outboard motor, and it has an anode mounted to it. That's not a straightforward service job. It actually requires the removal of the prop shaft bearing carrier to service that anode. So that's a bigger job that would only be catered to by a professional technician. Many outboard brands also have anodes that require more sophisticated servicing levels and may have internal anodes inside the water jackets of the engine. Finally, it's a heck of a lot cheaper replacing some anodes than the damage that could be caused from not replacing them. Promt Parts has been appointed as an official distributor for Marta anodes in New Zealand. Our team have undergone extensive training to assist you in choosing the best anode for your marine engine or boat. Please visit www.promptparts.co.nz to make a purchase, or visit our anode product page where you can learn all you need to know about Marta anodes. I'll leave links in the descriptions for easy access. Until next time, cheers.